Hypnotized by your beauty, use a motherfucking cutie. Smoke a L while you do me, while we watch a fucking movie. It's simple how I feel about these motherfucking groupies. A nigga don't need them, they be acting fucking stupid. Taking drugs for the heartbreaks and pain, man, I'm clueless. Look at myself in the mirror like, nigga, why you do this? You stupid, fuck it, I'm just gonna be ruthless. It seems like these bitches choosing niggas that just do it. But fuck it, I'm about my cash and all. About to bounce back like I'm playing basketball. Niggas wasn't round when I took a major fall. It's all good though, a nigga just be brushing it off. Yeah, I got all the sauce, yeah, niggas a boss. I be fucking her hard, you be fucking her soft. Tryna count up some checks, tryna buy me a loft. I don't got no regrets, nigga, I live like a dog. Pound a bitch in a kennel, no I don't feel ashamed. It's the freaky ice cold Pisces blood in my veins. Tryna tell y'all my story, yeah you know what it is. Give me 1 year, nigga, I'ma make it big. You can feel the rain if it don't matters for ya. Please come over to me. You can feel the rain if it don't matters for ya. Please come over to me.